up, YouTube? Got a cool little minute of video with the stainless, y'all. Y'all see it, look up. The Grey Goose. We out here in Denver, Colorado. About to drop this load off, y'all. Yeah, I know y'all been asking about her. Okay, there she goes. I got a surprise for y'all. Y'all gotta stay tuned. Probably gonna be in the next video. What's up, y'all? Just a little update. I finished my load in Colorado after Costco. Go back to where I was staying at for 4th of July weekend. At the room. I see the beauty. But yeah, we about to head back to New Mexico. Cousin having problems, so I'm about to hook up to the trailer. Originally it was supposed to be the trailer I was supposed to be taking before I go pick up a little surprise I told you guys about. So yeah. So I'm gonna keep y'all updated on this nice little ride. Back on home. Well, not home, to Albuquerque, New Mexico. And we gotta come right back out here, drop the load. Got my little brother with me, teaching him how to drive. You want him to become a trucker now. Y'all see the beauty. Here in Albuquerque, got the pump flowing. Filling up those gas tanks. Get 200 gallons on each side. About to drop this trailer and hook up to the other trailer. Just waiting on the cousin to arrive. He had a few problems with his truck. But I'm gonna end up taking the load back to Colorado. That's the trailer. Got a drive-in for something special. Yeah. I see the truck. My side panel came off. Got it getting heavy down. Yeah. I see it. Nice. What up, y'all? I forgot to record when I linked up with my cousin. Y'all see the trailer. Obviously, this ain't my normal trailer. So, y'all should know what's coming. But, this pulled over. Had an exhaust leak. The band came loose a little. Over here tightening it up. Get back going. But keep y'all updated. I'm on my way back to Colorado, Denver, Colorado. I'm in Las Vegas, New Mexico. So yeah. What's up, y'all? Y'all know where we at. Gotta get her all nice and cleaned up. Blue Beacon. Drive van on. Brand new 2022 Honda trailer. How to use this trailer for a little surprise. Yep, I dropped my load off. So basically it's the end of the video to the next one. A little surprise on the next one, so stay tuned, y'all.